I figure since it's a nice day out and some of you wanted to see a review of the screwdrivers I picked up, so I'm going to do USA Craftsman, the new Craftsman, Harbor Freight Pittsburgh, and Icon, and look at the differences and how they feel in my hand. I'm going to start with the Craftsman, go with the USA here. I've had these for close to 20 years, I guess, so they're a little, got some rust on them. They're alright, still working. And then the new ones here. Now the big thing you can see is the handles, which after using different screwdrivers and stuff, I don't much care for these handles. These have a purpose and a place for them, tight places or whatnot, but they don't feel right in my hand anymore after using something like this or the Icon. The old tips. Still holding up pretty good after 20 years. Not doing too bad. And the new ones here. They look pretty good. No big issues with them yet. Haven't used them a whole lot. Feel good in my hand though. Kind of fit in my palm a little better with the bulge down here. Fits my hand good. But so far they seem to be real close to the same. I don't mind them, other than they're made in China, but that's fine. As long as here's a warranty them out or Lowe's, don't much care. Alright, now that I got the Craftsman stuff put away, we'll look at the Pittsburgh and the Icon. This here's a fairly new set from Harbor Freight. Kind of got a little bit of everything, your shorties, your precisions. Got a couple picks in here, straight. Curved. Some Allens, some bits, some socket drivers. They all got the printing on the top, but after using them a couple times, you see it's just printed and rubs right off after the first use. But I don't care about that. That's also got some Torx. Didn't seem like a big deal. They fit nice in my hand. Not quite as good as the Craftsman, but they feel alright. You know, something nice to have in the house in case I need them. And the Icon here. It's got a real big handle. Bigger than my hand, almost like a pry bar. The little ones, you know, they feel pretty good. Some of these bits, the ends are narrow. Phillips end seems pretty strong. I used them today working on my car door panel. Didn't tear anything up with them. So far they're not too bad. Don't mind them. I say, you know, kind of a little bulky in the hand, but they still fill it up real nice. They feel good when you're using them. Not bad for 50 bucks or 40 bucks, whatever it is there at Harbor Freight. There you go. There's the look at the Icon and the newer style set from Harbor Freight. Be safe, guys.